this like super distracting here? Let me just try to pin it somewhere else. Hopefully you guys can't see it. Even if you do, just ignore it. Hello and welcome back. Yes, I am back more frequently than I was before, which is like wow. But yeah, I've decided to post every Sunday here on, and hopefully we will stick to putting my phone on silent. So yesterday I had put up like this question sticker on my Instagram story asking what you guys want to see on my next YouTube video, and most of you said skincare. So I haven't done a skincare video here before, even though I do I do some skincare videos on my Instagram, like reels and stuff. I've never like sat down and like spoken about skincare ever before. Today we're going to be breaking down my morning skincare routine. I'm trying to keep it as beginner friendly and as simple as possible, but sometimes I do like to be a little extra. So before I begin, skincare is very subjective. I say this all the time, but please take it seriously. Something that works for me may not work for you, and just don't come and fire my ass because something I said did not work for you. Please don't do that. So because my skin is combination skin, some of the products I use may suit dry skin, some may suit oily skin. I will let you know that as I go about. I had my workout today morning. I went to gym. Before I go to gym, I just simply wash my face with water, and I use something very light, aloe vera gel. Even after you sweat, like once you wipe off your sweat, your face is again very dry, and because there's like really high AC in my gym, I don't like to expose my skin to that, so I always use an aloe vera gel. So for that I use this Innisfree Aloe Revital Soothing Gel. My god, I can't speak enough about this product. This is like liquid gold in a bottle. It's so hydrating if you have dry, dehydrated skin. It's not the kind of aloe vera gel that makes your skin, you know, crinkly and tight after a while and you just feel like washing it off. This one really sinks into your skin. After a workout, your skin usually has a lot of sweat and dirt and a lot of oil on it, and it definitely needs a good cleanse. So for the mornings, I like to go in with something very light, gel based preferably. So I've already cleansed my face because I just took a shower after gym. So what I used was the BioDerma Purifying Cleansing Foaming Gel. This is for combination and oily skin, and I really like it. It has a very light gel texture, kind of like very nicely and gently removes all the dirt from my face without like overly stripping it of, you know, all the moisture on it. Another one that I can recommend to you guys along the same lines is a simple refreshing facial wash. This is a lottery, dude. This is so cheap and it gives so much for what it costs. It has no fragrance. It is just as the name states, it's a very simple face wash. Another option that you can maybe try out is the Sebamed clear face. Okay, now I have to know what it's called. Yes, it's the Sebamed Clear Face Cleansing Foam. This is the best pH balancing face wash I've ever used. There was a point when I was breaking out left and right, and I consulted a dermatologist and she recommended this to me. Okay, so next we're going to get into actually doing my skincare, so I'm just going to tie my hair up. So after cleansing, I like to bring a little bit of the hydration back to my face before going in with a serum, because serums usually work on like damp skin. So I use a toner. Before toner, sometimes I like to be a little fancy and use a little facial mist. This is not necessary, this is just something I like to do. So for that, I like to use this Avene Thermal Spring Water. This is an anti-irritant facial mist that's going to like bring back some of that juiciness and some of that glow back into your skin. This really helps with things like sunburn and rashes and like little bumps on your skin. I just love the spritzer on this, just a special mention for that. Some of the toners just don't get this right. So while this dries down a little bit, I'm going to go in with a toner. For toner, I have here the Klairs Supple Preparation Facial Toner. This is a pH balancing toner, doesn't have any actives. It is a Korean brand. All their products are just spot on. I've used 3 of their products till now and all 3 work so brilliantly for my skin. This has a water base, and most products with a water base are meant for like treating your dehydrated skin, and that's exactly what I want. Leave it very hydrated and prepare a nice base for all those serums to go on. I love to take it on my hands and just pat it all over my face. So we did cleansers, we did toners, and next we're going to move on to serum. So in the mornings, I usually like to use a vitamin C serum. Vitamin C serum is an antioxidant serum. So what these antioxidant serums do is they just protect your skin by fighting the free radicals, breaking them down. Okay, let's not go into a science class. Basically what they help you do is repair your skin, fight against the effects of UVB rays on your skin, repair sun damage, make your skin glow like nothing else. So for vitamin C, I have here the Vaunt VC-12 Intermediate Serum with CICA and peptides. So this is something that I recently got in PR and I have been using it ever since. I like it. It is a decent product. It does what it says. I have tried and tested a lot of vitamin C's in the market, and because of that very reason, my standards for a vitamin C are very, very high. So I like to take like 3 to 4 drops. One very important note is to never rub your serums into your skin. Always just very lightly and gently pat the product into your skin. Some recommendations are the Claire's freshly juiced vitamin C. Oh my god, stellar product. Really something that beginners should try. Another product a little bit pricey is the Eclat 20% vitamin C. It is an investment, but boy do you get results. Probably one more suggestion, a little more affordable, that I can give you would be the minimalist vitamin C serum. That's also good. So next, let's move on. I have another serum with me. Yes, I am a little extra, don't be like me. I have been doing skincare for quite a while now, and my skin is used to having products layered one over the other. So when I was starting out on my skincare journey, obviously I was influenced by all the skincare bloggers using so many products and claiming that something, reduce their dark circles and texture on their face, and I was like, bro, I need that. I was just really over enthusiastic that I just bought a lot of products and I used all of them at one go. Oh my god, my skin broke out so much that I had to go consult a dermatologist. That's why I keep repeating again and again, when someone gives you skincare advice, take it with a grain of salt. Next up, I have a hyaluronic acid serum. This is the Pilgrim Secrets of Jeju Island 2% hyaluronic acid serum. So hyaluronic acid is basically something that attracts moisture from the atmosphere into your skin. If you have dehydrated or very dry skin, this is your savior. I usually prefer hyaluronic acid on toners because toners are meant for hydration purposes. So moving on to step 4, I think we're gonna go in with a moisturizer. For moisturizer, I have here the Dot & Key Skincare Vitamin C plus E Super Bright Moisturizer. This step is not really necessary. If you have oily skin, then I wouldn't recommend using a moisturizer before your sunscreen. But for me, I like to go in with a gel-based moisturizer and then go in with my sunscreen. It helps the sunscreen to go on a little smoother. I feel, this is my personal opinion. This product is super lightweight, but at the same time not those water-based moisturizers that just go on and then disappear. This stays on your skin. It is emollient. It is a little creamy. It has vitamin C and vitamin E, both really essential for your skin. By the way, I have a code with Dot & Key, and if you want to purchase this product, you can use the code SEBA10 on their website and you will get 10% off your cart. Just gonna scoop out a tiny bit. It has a small fragrance. It smells like lemon tarts or like lemon sorbet. If you have sensitive skin and if you're very triggered by fragrance in your skincare products, then just maybe skip this one. But I may have another product for you to try. This is something very basic you get in your medical store. This is the Emmeline Glycol Cream, and my god, dude, this is like the third one. If you follow me on Instagram, I needn't even tell you to buy this product because I know you already bought it upon my constant nagging. This works on texture, like skin texture. That is insane. But also a little disclaimer, this product is a huge hit or miss for most people. So moisturizer is done. Next, let's move on to the next and the most important step, which is SPF. If you don't wear SPF every day, I'm sorry, we cannot be friends. Like, I'm not kidding you. The kind of damage the sun does to your skin cannot be reversed. So other than the obvious sun tan and the sunspots and very serious things like skin cancer, sun damage can also accelerate aging. Do you really want that? Even when you're sitting at home, you won't even realize it, but the sun is damaging your skin because it may be a bright and sunny day. You must be enjoying the view sitting next to a window, and not wearing SPF, you are doomed. I use SPF every single day. Yes, even on rainy days, I use my SPF. I do not skip this step. And when I tell you that I saw results, I mean it. Just by being consistent with my SPF, I could see the change in my skin texture, in my pigmentation, and very important, every time you use vitamin C, you should back it up with a sunscreen. For sunscreen, I'm going to use the Ceramide and Vitamin C sunscreen from Dr. Sheth's. Now this is a very recent favorite. I have been using this very consistently and it has been really good. I like to use the 3-finger or the 2-finger rule. For Indian skin tones especially, it's very difficult to get sunscreen right because most products that I have seen growing up have left a very terrible gray or white cast on my face. So like as you can see, as I'm applying this sunscreen, there are no traces of any kind of white cast on my face. Yes, if you're not aware, they do have these kind of sunscreens in the market now, so don't shy away from using sunscreen because of the white cast. This sunscreen is suitable for mostly dry skin, but I would say combination skin also. Some other recommendations that I can give you guys is number 1, the Key CICA Calming Niacinamide sunscreen. This is a good product. This was sent to me in PR and I have been enjoying using this recently. Next recommendation I have is the Revital Oxybenzone and OMC free sunscreen. Revital has amazing sunscreens, guys. Give this a go, but only if you're a dry skin person. This is a little heavy for oily skin. For my oily skin people, I have here the Revital Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel. Really good product. It has a very nice silicone-y, like I don't know what to call it. It has a nice texture and it does not make your skin oily at all. And now moving on to the final step, we are finally coming to an end to this video. Yeah, it's the Juicy Chemistry Blood Orange and Rosehip Organic Lip Balm. This is the best lip balm I have ever used in my entire life. I was a person who did not like to use lip balms because it left like a really crusty, like some kind of layer on my lips. It was very annoying and irritating. So this lip balm has a very oil infused formula. Like once you put it on your lips and just rub it around, it glides on like, okay, I should stop talking. In 2 minutes, it's gone. It's absorbed into your skin and your lips are very supple. This has some really stellar ingredients that makes it what it is. It has blood orange, it has rosehip, it has vitamin C, and it reduces pigmentation. Okay, this is my 4th bottle, I think, and I don't know if it reduces pigmentation, but for me, a lip balm is essentially to just moisturize my lips. So this fulfills that to the best extent possible. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I love talking about skincare and like talking about products that work for me and help beginners in any way I can. For someone like me who's been doing this for like 2 years now, I don't know if I know everything. I don't know if I know enough to tell you that this is, you should do this, you shouldn't do that. It is very subjective. It depends on your skin and your tolerance and the weather where you are. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, follow me. Oh my god, how many times do I have to tell you? I have 2 Instagram accounts, one for my makeup, my face, and one for professional work that I do on others. She's a multi-talented queen. If you like this video and you want to see similar videos in the future, tell me in the comments, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. I don't even know why I'm saying all this. I helped you guys out today. You owe me one. Hope you all have a great day today and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.